Rachel and Ninong are, they brought this for me. Okay, now let's start. For the ingredients, eggs, vanilla, butter and sugar, baking powder and condensed milk, flour and grated cheese. First, mix the butter. Mix. Okay, I'm going to buy my own. 3, 2, 1. Add sugar. Add condensed milk. Add vanilla. And then keep on mixing. Make the mixture smooth. Mix the flour and baking powder. So fast, and then we put here. Mix until it becomes smooth. Add cheese and mix again. I can do it. I can do it. Guys, I'm doing it by my own. Trying to do my best. Now, this is our final mixture. We preheat our oven 180 degrees. I preheat. We will use ice cream. Now put the cheese toppings. Now we're ready to put in oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Now we take the cupcakes to the Oh, it's hot. Hold on.
Okay.
I can do this.
I don't know, it's okay.
Slowly, careful.
Didikit na naman, didikit na naman.
Kailangan siya eh.
Mm.
Nice.
Guys, this is our finished product.
Yan.
Now I'm going to taste. There. Nice.
What's the taste?
Show the inside.
There's a cheese. It's nice. Try it, guys. It's so delicious.
Mm.
Try. Shout out to my subscriber, Auntie Dang, Dirtsen, and from Canada. And also to Ate Geline for helping me with all my cooking videos. Bye guys, bye. That's it for this video. Smash the like button if best you watch. Hit the bell and we'll see you next time. Bye guys, bye. Guys, look, I have my parcel.
Yeah, but it's
My mommy put it.